Hey all, welcome back to Messing with Mopars. Today we had Snowmageddon here in Vancouver. Yay, but whatever. So now I'm playing with the mics, with the Dutel Jones. Anyhow, I'll quit playing with that. So today what we're doing, you look behind me here. How was that? That was awesome. So what we're doing is I put the pumpkin in. It's had to sit for an hour so I can torque it up, which I'll have to do after I got the seal out. So now I've cleaned off the end of the axle housing. Right here I got a little plug so that the brake fluid doesn't just keep draining out, and then I end up draining out of the master cylinder. So what we've done is I've cleaned off the end of the housing here, and it's all beat to shit. So we'll have to put some silicone on there. Then this shim goes on, and then some more. And then we'll put the backing plate on, and we got to put some here, and then we can slide the axle in and bolt the axle in. But it's a little bit of a process. So first thing we're doing is there's a seal in here. You can see where my finger is pointing right there. That's a seal. I don't have my slide hammer, so we're going to try to do this a little ghetto. And there's nothing wrong with that. So what I'm going to do is take our vice grips. I'm going to put them right here, like so. I might lie a bit. Might have lied a bit. Holy Hannah. Okay. So. There we go. That. And there we go. One seal extracted. So what we have to do, get a little bit of grease. I'll have to clean this up in here a little bit. Yeah. And then we'll get a little bit of grease. And then what we'll do is we will set that back in there. And we have to use a special tool for that. So give me a few minutes here and I'll get things sorted out. Okay, we're back. So we got some grease. We've got a bearing, or I mean a seal. It's not a bearing, that's a seal. And then we have a Master Bearing Race and Seal driver set that I bought in Kamloops when the boat trailer tire fell off. So what we need to do is find a driver that's the right size for the seal. 2.47, 2.55. Okay, there's our driver, there's our seal. So what we're going to do, we're going to put the seal on the spring. And then we're going to go that. And like that. I think we need to find a 1/2 inch wrench. Maybe 7/16. Nope. 1/2 inch. Oh well. Okay, so first things first, let me get a wrench. So for future reference, it's a 12 mil. And that just tightens this on here. There. Okay. All right. I love grease. I tend to get it everywhere. I'm good at it. Let's put a little bit on there. Oh, it had. Just to give her a little help in there. And probably didn't bring a hammer, did I? No. I did not. I looked at the hammer as I walked by it, though. I did, honest. That's the right steel. How could I not have brought that hammer with me? Where the fuck is it? Where is it? That's what I'll have to do. One with the shaky head. Oh, I know where it is. It's behind me. Well, it's not behind me. It's over there. I put it over there. There we go. Nice. We're there. Almost. Okay, we're there. Beautiful. That went in super sweet. There's my paper towel. Clean this off. There. Now, we'll take some more grease on the end of your finger. I'm just gonna. There. Okay. All right. About time to torque those. Just about time to torque those other things. So, on the pumpkin. Okay. So that's that for right now. I'll let that sit for a little bit. And then we're going to get some goop. And we're going to goop here. And then we'll put that on. The shim. Not sure if it's required with these axles, but we'll put it on anyhow. Right, and that goes on like that. And that goes on like that. And then the axles go in. But we're going to have to thread that in first. Because if I remember correctly, it wasn't very much fun when Chad and I were trying to do it. Well, pardon me, when Chad was doing it. Or when we ran new lines for the rear brakes. All right. There you go. So that's just a quick little seal install. These tools, they're relatively cheap. I would buy a set. Doesn't matter if you only use it once. At least you're using it. I'll be using this on a regular basis. Could use these on wheel hubs, rear, anywhere that you have a seal that has a metal housing and goes into a formed space. All right. I don't know, a machine place, I guess would be a better way to put it. So I'm going to lift the car up right now, and then while I'm doing that, and then what we're going to do is torque the pumpkin into place, and then we can put the drive shaft back on and all that stuff. And then, well, as soon as we're finished that, then I got to clean off the end of the axle and then we can put this side in, and then we just have to do the other side, and then the sealant needs to sit for 24 hours before you can fill it with fluid. Not a big deal. We got time. Plus, it's slushing out right now. So there you go. All right, you guys. Thanks for coming along for the ride. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, give a share. If you like my content, share it around. We're going to try keeping doing just some little ones right now. Just quick and dirty ones, right? We'll do one. I'll do one for torquing in the center section, and then we'll do one to install this axle here. All right. You guys have a great afternoon. Bye.